Good morning, everyone. Today we'll complete the remaining part of our day 23, wherein we mentioned that the controlling area and the operating concern will be created after we complete the global settings. So by now we have completed the required global setting like the fiscal year variant, chart of accounts. Based on those two configuration and assignment to the respective company codes, we'll be able to create the controlling area and operating concern now. So to create the controlling area, we go into the customizing menu by typing the T code SPRO, clicking on SAP reference IMG. We understood that in the organization structure for controlling, we have controlling area and operating concern. But we do not define the operating concern and controlling area from the enterprise structure because we do not have complete details over there. We will create the same from the controlling menu. Under the controlling, if we go into general controlling organization and we get the maintain controlling area. Click on maintain controlling area, the second option over here. You see create controlling area screen is locked by the other user. So I don't want to open it in the display mode and simply close it. Open the new session by clicking on this particular icon. Click on SM12 to delete the log and click on search. So select all and delete. Yes, delete all those. All the logs have been deleted now. Let's go to maintain the controlling area again. Click on the second icon for maintaining the controlling area. Click on enter. Guys, I have already created RCIZ controlling area. Let me show you those. RCIZ, I have given the code as RCIZ, the name as RCI controlling area. From the company code to controlling area relationship, I have chosen two. I have chosen option number 2, which is cross company code cost accounting. It helps to allocate or manage cost between the two or more company codes. In our example, we have two company codes, which is RCIA and RCIU, and hence we have chosen the cross company code cost accounting. Even though if you have only one company code, you should always choose cross company code cost accounting. The reason is you may be expanding in future wherein you can have more than one company code. The currency type 30 is the group currency that we have to assign to the controlling area. As we understood that our consolidation currency is the USD, that's what I have kept here. Similarly, the fiscal year variant K4 that is assigned to the company code at the leading ledger level, and the chart of account is RCIG. We have to create the cost center standard hierarchy. What is a cost center we will discuss in the days to come, but as of now you remember that standard hierarchy for the cost center is needed to be created at the time creation of the controlling area. Click on activate components and activate all the components like cost center, activity type, order management, commitment management, activity based costing, projects, sales order, cost object with commitment management. Do not activate the real estate management because we are not going to use this. And choose variances, company code validation, all those selections. The next is assignment of the company code. I have assigned RCII company code to this particular company code. We'll also assign RCIU company code, that is US company code over here once we create that. So this is all about the creation of the controlling area. The next thing is maintaining the operating concern. So for that you have to go under the controlling, we have profitability analysis. Under profitability analysis we have structures, and here we have maintain operating concern. The operating concern that I have created is RCIZ. So while creating the operating concern, you have 4 steps. Step number 1 is to create the code, keep the description, and select the margin analysis. In S4 HANA, we will either be using margin analysis or combined based COPA. In our case, we'll be using margin analysis, which is the standard for S4 HANA. This is the first part. Second part is to maintain the attribute, wherein we give the fiscal year variant that is assigned to our company codes at the leading ledger level, and the operating concern currency, which is nothing but the group currency. This is the second step. Third step, we will go here to create the data structures. Creating the data structure means what characteristics do we want in our profitability analysis. As of now, I have chosen three characteristics. Those are country region, material group, and customer group, which means that I want to analyze my profitability by the country, by region, by material group, or by customer group. This is the third step, and fourth step is coming into the environment and activating the client specific part and cross client part, and saving the maintaining of the operating concern. So these are the four steps that you'll be performing when you start creating the operating concern. Let me create one dummy operating concern for you and show you how to create those. I'm creating the operating concern as test. Click on the create, click on enter, and give the description as test operating concern. Select margin based analysis. This is the first step. And the second step, choose operating concern currency and fiscal year variant. And the third step, you have to create the data structure, that is choose the characteristics. But before that, let us save this. You see the status is not active. Now create the data structures. In the data structures, we choose three fields. One is the customer group, next is the material group, and country region key. Country or region key, and then we have material group. Select those three and select on the transfer fields. Click on save. So the data structure would get saved. Okay. Once the data structure is saved, click on activate. So that the data structure becomes activated in the operating concern. It takes some time. Let the program be executed. Now you see all the three objects have been activated. Let's go back. And the pop-up says, do you wish to generate the operating concern environment, which is the fourth step, generating the environment. Click on yes. Again, it takes some time to generate the environments. Now you see the environment has been generated completely and the status has turned to green. Let us save it. This has been saved. Now just to go back. The next thing, after creation of the operating concern, you have to do the assignment. For assignment, again come into the enterprise structure. Click on assignment. Under the controlling, you have assign operating concern to the controlling area. So here the controlling area RCIZ has been assigned to the operating concern RCIZ. With this, we complete the creation of operating concern and controlling area and assigning those to the company codes. I am closing for the day. We'll meet again tomorrow. Thank you.